ElevenLabs. This is a voice cloning and text-to-speech tool, and it's so realistic it's almost unsettling. You can create a custom AI voice in minutes, generate voiceovers for videos, podcasts, or ads, and it sounds like a real human. Content creators and marketers are using this to produce professional audio without ever touching a microphone. But is it actually that good? And more importantly, can it really replace traditional voice recording workflows? I've been exploring ElevenLabs, testing its features, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what it can do, how it works, and whether it's worth trying. Let's jump in. The first thing that stands out about ElevenLabs is how easy everything feels. When you open the platform, you're immediately greeted by a clean dashboard that focuses on one thing, turning text into incredibly realistic speech. You simply type or paste your script, choose a voice, hit generate, and within seconds, you get a natural sounding voiceover. And honestly, this is where ElevenLabs starts to feel different from a lot of other AI voice tools. Most AI voices sound fine for a few sentences, but once you listen longer, the robotic tone usually becomes obvious. With ElevenLabs, the delivery feels much more human. The pauses feel natural, the pacing feels intentional, and the emotional expression is surprisingly convincing. The first time I generated a voiceover, I genuinely had to remind myself that nobody had actually recorded it. If you've ever created videos, podcasts, presentations, training material, or any type of content that requires narration, you know how time-consuming audio production can be. You need a quiet room, you need decent equipment, you need multiple takes whenever you make a mistake, and sometimes you record an entire section only to realize you want to change a single sentence. With ElevenLabs, you can simply edit the text and regenerate the audio. No re-recording, no microphone setup, no background noise issues. Just update the script and create a new version. That alone can dramatically simplify content production workflows. Inside the text-to-speech workspace, everything is designed around customization. You can choose from a wide variety of voices and then adjust settings like speed, stability, similarity, style exaggeration, speaker boost. These controls let you fine-tune how the voice sounds. Want something calm and professional? Easy. Need a dramatic storyteller voice? No problem. Creating an energetic introduction for a YouTube video? You can do that too. I really liked how quickly these changes affected the final output. Instead of feeling like you're stuck with one voice, it feels more like directing a voice actor. You adjust the personality and delivery until it matches your content. Now let's talk about the feature that made ElevenLabs famous, voice cloning. This is where things get seriously impressive. Instead of recording every future voiceover manually, you can create a digital version of a voice and then generate entirely new speech from text. The platform offers both instant voice cloning and professional voice cloning options depending on your plan. And hearing your own cloned voice for the first time is honestly a strange experience. It's one of those moments where AI suddenly feels very real. For creators who want consistency across videos, podcasts, training content, or presentations, this can be an incredibly powerful feature. Another feature I found interesting is the multilingual capability. ElevenLabs includes multilingual voice models that can generate speech in different languages while maintaining natural pronunciation and flow. This opens up a lot of possibilities for creators who want to reach international audiences. Instead of recording separate versions manually, you can create localized content much faster while keeping a consistent voice style. And because the voices sound natural, the final result feels far more professional than traditional robotic translation systems. What surprised me is that ElevenLabs has grown beyond simple text-to-speech. Looking around the platform, you'll find tools for speech to text, voice changer, voice isolation, dubbing, sound effects, AI music, image and video workflows, studio projects. So rather than using